Hey guys, I'm Amy with Living Lacurdo, and today we're gonna make one of my favorite recipes, buttercream frosting. One of the first recipes I ever learned to make was buttercream frosting, and it's an essential item to have if you love baking. The first thing you need is a mixer. So you can have a hand mixer or a standing mixer, whichever one works fine. Today I'm using a standing mixer, so I can show you how to do this really simple. So we've got the butter. We'll just put that right into the mixer. And beat that a little bit. And once that's nice and creamy, you're gonna add powdered sugar. Now this can get really messy, so just start your mixer really slow and then beat it a little bit and a little bit more. And I kind of stop in the middle and I will go and get some cream. And you can add milk or cream, either one. Go ahead and put your cream in and mix it up a little bit more. And now you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I like to add a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt will give it just a little bit of that savory in the middle of your sweet. Mix it all up, and when you're done, get a spatula and get all of the extras off of the side of the bowl, and then mix it up some more and you're done. So I'm going to show you how to frost a cupcake. And what I like to do is I will put the frosting inside of a piping bag, but sometimes that gets really messy, so here's a trick. Put your piping bag inside of a tall water glass. This will save you so much mess. And then take the plastic piece of the bag and just pull it over the top of the glass, and now you're ready to add a big spoonful of your frosting inside of your piping bag. So do that until it's full enough, and then just pull it out, twist the end, and you're ready to pipe your frosting onto your cupcake. If you're at my party, we're gonna have sprinkles. So let's sprinkle my favorite colorful sprinkles on top, and we're ready to go. Now it's party time. Now, wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Okay, I'll do it one more time. Two.